Hello. I guess I didn't take that into account, that I would be sitting in a chair. So, we'll see how this goes. Hi everyone, how are we doing today? It's Rebecca Packard, and we're taking time out for peace. We're taking time out to reset, to regroup, to reground, to redirect our energy, to redirect ourselves, to reset, to regroup, to rebalance, so that we can be in our best energy and our focused energy and our most amazing energy, so that we can show up in the world as the person that we want to be. I hear a lot of people say that the first thing you recognize about a person, or the first thing that when you come to meet someone, is that their appearance. People judge people on their appearance. And I want to just talk about how actually we judge people on how they feel to us. The appearance, it does definitely take and affect part of that, but more often than not, before you even approach someone, before you even move into their space, you're judging them on how they feel to you, how your energy is connecting or not connecting, how their energy is representing them or not. Is it scared? Is it anxious? Is it angry? Is it cold? We are judging people before we even come into the space of wanting to get to know them or acknowledging them or any of that with how their energy feels to us. And so by taking time each and every day, by showing up for ourselves each and every day, not only are we taking our breath, we're allowing our immune system to be enhanced, we're allowing our ability to rest to enhance, but we're also allowing ourselves to show up and to have our silent vibrational conversation represent us appropriately when we come into the space of meeting new people and being out in workspaces, in groups, in social events, and whatnot. And so I'm so glad that so many of you are taking time out each and every day to connect in this space and to come together. So without further ado, wherever you are, whatever you're doing, we're going to ask that you get settled and grounded. And I'm in these chairs, and I'm finding that I won't be doing this again here because I keep spinning, so sorry about that. If I start meditating and I turn around, it is what it is. Just go with it. So, allow yourself to come into the moment. Allow yourself to show up in this space. Allow everything else to be put to the side. Ask that your inner child, your inner critic, your inner judgment, your inner disconnect, all put everything aside, come together and allow for this moment of connection, allow for this moment of balance, to allow anything that might be keeping you from being in peace, acknowledging peace, accepting peace, allowing peace, embracing peace, creating peace, attracting peace. Allow all of that to be released. Ask that it all be let go, that you see it, that you acknowledge it, that it is what it is, but it's from your past. It's not who you are, it's not what you are, it's not who you'll be. It has nothing to do with this moment, and allow for it to be released. Allow for you to let go of that, and as you do, just say thank you. Thank you for that. Thank you for showing me this. Thank you for being in my life and serving the purpose that you had at the time that you had it. And I choose to let go of all of it right now. I choose to release it all right now. I choose to say thank you and goodbye. and I choose to move into a new direction. I choose only emotions, energy, events that support me in the space of joy, happiness, peace, and love, and support, and growing, and healing, and connecting, and unifying, and all of those amazing energies to show up in the space of my life. And that anything blocking those, again, like we did before with the other energy and emotions and events from our childhood, from our family legacy, from society, from history, from anywhere and everywhere that's not of our highest and greatest good. We just ask that it be released. It really be released and alchemized and let go of, and that we no longer need it, it no longer serves us, and we thank it. We thank it for its lessons, and we will continue to utilize the lessons, but we don't need the emotional ties, we don't need the emotional burden, we don't need the emotional exhaustion, and we don't need any of the energy that it has that's causing us to clog up the true vibration of who we are. So just see all of that letting go from you. See it all. Maybe it's evaporating into a beautiful rainbow around you and letting go and allowing that rainbow to wash over you. Maybe it is just water pouring down over you and washing away everything and anything. And then maybe it's just the release of tension in your body, letting go, and you feeling the ability to be at peace in this moment. Fantastic. So, as you come back to this moment, as you come back to this space, as you come back to this time, we invite you to continue on this space, in this time, on this journey, and taking time out for your ability to find peace in the moment, to create peace in the moment, and to encourage that with your silent vibrational conversation with the world around you, allowing for other people to feel peace, allowing other people to see peace, allowing other people to follow you in moving into the space of peace. As we do this, as more and more of us show up to this space, as more and more of us do this, as more and more of us allow peace in our lives and cultivate peace in our lives and encourage these different small rituals or practices that we take on during our day, whether it be gratitude journaling, meditation, walking, or just being in the space of peace, we open the door for so many people around us and that we come in contact with to do the same. And so, as we were talking before, allow for those moments, those opportunities to come into your life so that your silent vibrational conversation with the universe can actually be speaking the language that you want it to. And so I love you. Thank you for showing up in this space. Thank you for holding this intention. Thank you for taking time out to reset, to regroup, to rebalance, and to redirect your energy. And we will see you all tomorrow. Hi and goodbye and thank you. And if you're just hopping on, you can catch the entire meditation by watching the replay. Let us know where you're tuning in from and how you are utilizing meditation in your life. Love you. Bye.